what do we have here? Is it a book? A rainbow friends? Huh. What's on the back? The end. Let's start from the beginning. I am very excited for this. Rainbow friends. Huh. This looks like you could pull it. Interesting. It's just here. Yeah. Okay. Huh. It's orange. The Forever Hungry Dinosaur. Huh. This book is very well made. Hey, can I eat this? Can I actually eat this? Huh. Well, here we go. Actually really good. Oh no! What's going on? The bus is in water and there are kids inside. I have to help them. Come on guys, you have to get out of there. I'll try to pull you out, okay? Almost there. There you go. Alright, you're next. Oh, sorry. Are you good? And the last one?
Thank you so much for saving me.
You're welcome. Okay, let's see if we can recover this bus. Okay, what's next? H-A-T, yes, H-A-T, hat, yes, H-A-T, that's not a hat either, no, oh, hey, here's a crown is a hat, kind of, right?
Oh, thank you.
Okay, what's next? We've got the crown, what else do we need? Oh, here's a button. There you go. I'm on fire. No, I don't think that goes there. These are pants. Okay, that's better. We're getting somewhere. No, I don't think so. Dungarees, yes. These will fit him like a glove. And this, I don't think that fits anywhere. That's fun. Oh no, milk should be in the fridge. Oh, wait, a giraffe?
Ladies and gentlemen, do you want to hear something that will change your kitchen life forever?
No, thanks. I just need to put this milk in here, if you don't mind. This will be a problem. Oh wait, I love these. So good.
Let me just introduce you to...
Okay, you are out of here. Thank you. Here, milk should be in the fridge, not a giraffe. Remember, kids. Let's see what challenges lie ahead.
Here we go again.
Leave my tongue and feed me already. I'm hungry.
Would you like to eat?
Yes, please.
There you go. Please, please don't bite me. I think I'm gonna have to use these tweezers. Okay. Here. You must have been very hungry. Here, enjoy your meal.
Yay!
Thank you for feeding me.
Let's see what's next.
Hey, I've been stuck in this vent forever. Can you release me? Please?
We have to free him. It's a puzzle. Okay. I think this one goes here. Perfect. Almost there. And the last one. It's a 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Here, this one. Yes. This one. Let's pull it. You're free.
Thank you for setting me free. Now I don't have to eat shmoo anymore. Give me a high five.
Let's see what the next page has to offer.
Hi, how are you?
That's funny.
Bing, bing, bong, bong, bing, bing, bing.
No, I think this one's supposed to go like this. Okay, it's red. Look, it spins. I think it's supposed to have eyes right here. There we go. Here you are. Okay, where's the second one? I bet it's over here. There, you have both your eyes back. You're welcome. I wonder what's in the other two. Oh, nothing. Okay. What's in the fourth one? There is nothing here as well. That's sad. I think that's the end. Bye.
See
Bye.
Have a nice day.
And thank you for setting me free.
That's all, folks. But you can always watch this one more time.